Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. Now you can click install and you can click open. And now you have to allow this application to access your files and then click back. And now you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not. And you have to click dismiss now. And your application is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.